Hello, my name is Hannah Olson and I'm here to talk about our positive and negative integers kit. This is a really useful hands-on tool that you can use in your classroom for understanding integers as well as positive and negative numbers. So if you're a middle school math teacher, this one's for you. First, I want to point out that I printed these in white instead of black, like the website suggests, simply so it would show up well on this dark tablecloth, but it's also a nice way to make the positive signs really pop. Once you have them all ready to go, you can do simple addition and subtraction exercises. So for instance, if you have 5 plus 2, you simply combine them all together for positive 7. Now if you have two negative numbers, it works the same way. So if you have negative 5 plus a negative 2, you get simply negative 7. The students will start realizing and building these connections, and then you integrate both positive and negative integer addition together. So now, negative 7 plus positive 3 gets a little bit more interesting. The students are going to have to realize that you can only have one color or one symbol in your final answer. So they can't just simply combine these. Instead, what they do is they find the inverses, or the zero pairs, and they line them up and then remove all that were able to have a pair, giving you your final sum, in this case, negative 4. So let the students start exploring, give them a lot of different challenges. It's quick, it's hands-on math, it'll get them interested and excited. And it's a way for the students to really start understanding the rules that dictate positive and negative integer addition and subtraction, and even then multiplication, so that the students can start discovering these and move them into faster arithmetic throughout. This kit is really useful for subtraction as well. For instance, if you have positive 6 and you want to subtract 2 from it, you simply remove 2 positive coins. You can also use this kit for multiplication and division. Let's go with 3 times negative 4. So that's 3 sets of negative 4, and students can actually take the negative signs and build out those 3 sets to see that is negative 12, because all of the coins involved are negative numbers. Then let's say you want to do division, and you have your starting number of negative 12, and you're going to divide that by 2. In this case, they'll see that each group is made up of negative 6. One final thing I want to show you in our kit is our large positive and negative signs. These are a way for the students to sort of visually understand some of the different rules that you would use. So for instance, if you are adding 2 negative numbers, you still have a negative number. If you are, however, multiplying 2 negative numbers, you cross them, you get the positive signs. So whether you're using this kit for addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division with positive and negative integers, it's a really useful kit to have in your classroom, and I can't wait to see all the different ways you're going to use it. Check out the model guide for more inspiration on how to use this kit.